It was terrible flying in. The turbulence. I just about hit the rhubarb, as they say. It's me, Amnosia, but I already said that. All right, so let's take a look around and see what's going on. Oh my, the turbulence. Here's Andy. He's fixing the night.
Ahoy there!
How are you, Andy?
Very well, Amnosia.
What do you think of the wind? Oh my, I can't even operate my camera, for heaven's sake.
This is nothing compared to the hurricanes I've sailed through in my time.
Oh, yes, I suppose you sailed the 7 seas, Captain.
Aye!
Aye, so this is the piece of thing.
Excellent
day. Now that's a windsock, isn't it?